So I just wanted to do a quick video of the property for you. That is Bonita Beach Road behind the hedge, so there is a little bit of road noise in the front of the property. Each property has their own private entrance. The downstairs is going to look just like that. Sorry about it being a little bit of a rainy day today. Most people would use that for the dining room. This would be more the family area. Now, there's no closet in this room, so this would be the den. Kitchen area looks pretty original. Beautiful view when it's not raining out. A little bit of the golf course there, and it's very quiet on the lanai. You're not hearing really any road noise over here, so it's more or less just the front of the property that has the noise. Oh, and the property does have storm shutters, and we'll see that shortly in the garage. So nice size owner suite here. Walk-in closet. Shower seems to be in pretty good condition, as well as the spa. And that was the front door. This is going to be one of your guest bedrooms. Plenty of room in the laundry room. And once again, those are the storm shutters. A nice size hot water heater over here. So I hope this helps.